Alright. Guess it's afternoon. This is the guy with another upgrade on the 2010 F250 6.4. Today we're gonna be putting in some badass, big ass headlights that we got from Amazon. I will put the description of what they are in the description. I'm guessing they're from Spyder. I don't really remember the brand that they actually were. But this is what the stock looks like. They are absolutely disgusting. They've got the yellowing that's starting to happen to them, and I'm just tired of looking at the stock. So hopefully it'll spice things up. In the previous one we did the, I think, 8-inch tip. It's either 8 or 7. Looks good, sounds good. The product was just as described, worked out great, loved it. So I don't like doing the whole, how-to stuff. If you want a how-to, you should probably figure out how to just work with tools in general. That's not really my deal. So these are pretty simple to do. I think there's like 4 bolts that hold the light in, the headlight assembly in, and that's it. I mean, plug and play. So I'll show you what it looks like afterwards and kind of go into a comparison. Alright, there they are. They definitely look a lot better. I see a lot of these trucks, you see like pictures or whatever, and they're like white, or they're gray, or they're red. You never get to see a lot of the black ones. So for all you guys that have black F250s and want a black bezeled nice headlight, this is definitely it. These are kind of expensive. They run about $300 for the pair, but they look damn good, man. Let me I'm gonna set up my thing here. Pardon me for the technical failures. There we go. That is the marker lights or whatever, the first setting. LED bulb is definitely right. Fully on with the headlights on. And your brights. So there's that for you. They definitely make the truck look more modern, as a lot of people say. It is a projector headlight with a halogen bulb. With this particular one, I didn't have to buy any bulbs. It was literally just I transferred over the turn signal to there. The whole socket and everything fits perfectly. These other 2 headlights have a bezel, a housing that goes around them, so they don't get any water leakage in there. and there's wires that come out through the backside that you literally just plug into your original headlight connector. Now there is another headlight, there is a connector in there that I'll show you on the pre-existing ones. There's a connector that I noticed that didn't fit anything. It's this one right here. I don't know what this is used for, but you don't need it with these. It's literally just the connector is back there, not plugged into anything. So I'll probably at some point go back there and figure out how to cap them. But for now, I just left it unplugged. And then for the tube light, you know, it matches up, or not the, yeah, the tube light is like a 2-prong connector. It has like 2 little things on, one's on one side, one side's on the other. If it doesn't work, like whenever I first plugged it in, it wasn't working. It was working on that side, but wasn't working on this side. I just flipped it and it started working. So if it doesn't work, don't get upset. I was literally about to be pissed, and so I just flipped it and it started working again. So last little bit of advice, these lights are extremely fucking heavy. You can see the size of them. They're fucking huge, excuse my language. And I accidentally dropped it because I left it on top of the box over there, and it broke off the top piece right here, which is right here. The lights are pretty secure with the 3 bolts, 3 other bolts. So I mean, like, the top bolt really doesn't do anything. It's pretty crappy plastic, to say the least. So just be careful with them, because they are heavy and the plastic will break. But if it does break the top thing, don't worry. The 2 right here and the one that's down there will hold it, and it will suffice. So these guys are in there. They ain't going nowhere. So they look good. So that's my review. Sorry guys if you wanted a install video. That's not what I'm here for. I'm just doing product reviews. So literally it's just a bolt up here, 2 bolts right here, and then 1 bolt that's underneath, like right in here. You can actually see it on this one. It is right there. That's the bolt. So same thing on the other side. Literally took me maybe 15-20 minutes outside of the hiccup with the tube light thing. That was weird. So there you go.